차렷! 경례! Alright everyone, so in this video we are going to learn how to do one of the 4 basic blocks. This one is low block. Low block is teaching you how to block when somebody is attacking your low section. So usually that's going to be if they're trying to kick you. So what we're going to do is start in 차렷. Remember, feet together, hands at your side. 준비, left leg is going to step out, breathe in. Hands closed, breathe out. So, the way that we're going to do our low block, this one is the most complicated of the blocks too, if you've never done any martial arts. So, if you don't quite get it at first, just keep coming back, keep practicing. So the first thing is, you want to take your right hand and place it on your left shoulder. You don't want to place it flat, like if your palm is open, you can touch. You want to turn your hand sideways so your thumb is pointing away and make a fist. That's the first thing. Second thing, forget about this other arm for just a moment. We're going to travel our hand down the length of that arm, and then at the end, snap. So let's practice that again. 4 more times. Ready? And up, down, that's 1. And up, down, 2. And up, down, 3. And up, down, and that's the last one. Now we're going to add what this hand does. So this hand comes up. As this is going down here, this one is going to slowly pull back to your belt over here. So now we're going to ignore this hand for just a second. Just leave it up here and do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now let's try doing it together 5 times on this side. Ready? 하나. Then reset. 둘. 셋. 넷. 다섯. Good. Now we're going to do the left hand. We'll do the same thing. Bring it up to your shoulder. And just 5 times we're going to practice just the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Now let's practice pulling our right hand back to the belt. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Now let's put it together. As this one goes down, this one comes back. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good. Now we're going to do 10 times. This time we're going to do right hand, left hand. Also use a little bit more power than when we were practicing. And remember, every time that we make a movement, to kiap. Remember, kiap. Breathe in. Use your stomach. Ha! Don't go ah and scream crazy. Okay? Nobody likes that. Ready? And up. 하나. 셋. 둘. 셋. 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 넷. 셋. 다섯. 셋. 여섯. 셋. 일곱. 셋. 여덟. 바로. 차렷. Okay, so today this was learning our low block. Low block is for blocking your low section. Mostly that's going to be if somebody's trying to kick at you, either straight or on the side. Either way, using the low block is a good defense against kicks or low attacks. Thank you.